Hello guys, this is Anand here. Today we are going to install FreeBSD on VirtualBox. Go to Start menu, then click on Settings, then System, then About. Here you can see this is the 64-bit operating system. There are two links provided in description. First is for VirtualBox and FreeBSD. First of all, go to VirtualBox link, download started. After that, second link is there for FreeBSD. There are some older versions also there, but you have to install the latest one, which is on top. For 32-bit system use i386, and for 64-bit systems use AMD 64. Then click on this one, FreeBSD 13 release AMD 64 disk 1.iso file. It will take some time to download. After downloading, first of all open VirtualBox Setup. Click on Next. Set the default settings by clicking Next and install. Click on S, then install again. It will take few minutes to install. After installing, click Finish. It will install successfully. After that, by opening VirtualBox, click on New, then type the name. I am typing FreeBSD. Then choose the type BSD and version FreeBSD 64-bit. Click on Next. Then allocate some memory. I am allocating 2 GB. After that, click Next. Then as the default settings, click Next, then Create, and click on Start. Then select the ISO file and click OK, then choose, then Start. Now you can see the FreeBSD is starting. After that, click on Install. Keep default settings. Enter the host name for this machine. Choose the UFS. Then entire disk, yes, OK. Then commit. After that, the process is begin. It will take some few minutes. Now enter the password for the root. Retype the password again. Then click on OK. S. Keep as default setting as S. click on OK. Then select your region, then country, and skip all these things. Enter your username, then full name, then keep as empty for the default. For group name, I will choose wheel. After that, enter the password. Enter the password again. Then enter. Type S. No. After that, exit. No. Reboot. After that, close the BSD, power off the machine. Now go to settings, then go to storage and delete this. Click on remove attachment, then remove and OK. After that, start again. Enter your username for login and password. Now we are going to install some additional packages. For this, type su, then enter root password. Then type this command pkg install emulators / virtualbox -oac -additions, then click on Y. After that, it will install all the packages which are required. Say S as type Y. After that, type this command ee space /etc/rc.conf. Now type these commands, press escape, then leave editor, save changes. Now all the packages and the additional settings are installed. This is all about how to install FreeBSD on VirtualBox. Thanks for watching.